Oh no! Not now! Not after that sausage!
Please, open!
David! What happened?
I can't wait! This is bad.
We have water and snacks.
I am ready. Teddy goes with me.
Today is perfect.
Wear your hat.
I am fine. Let's go! Fresh air feels good.
A little strange.
Are you okay?
Yes, yes. I am okay.
I love this park. Something is there. Be quiet. The cat is scared.
We will help you.
Use this, Dad.
Thank you, Charlie.
Slow. Very slow.
He is hurting.
Wait. I must be careful.
You can do it, David.
Okay. I try again.
Done. You are safe.
You saved him. Good job, Dad.
We call you Buddy.
Let's go.
That smells very good.
Do not eat that.
It is fine.
I am very hungry.
Ah. So good.
I eat my apple.
Again.
Oh, no.
David? What is wrong?
My stomach.
It hurts.
Daddy.
I am okay. Just wait.
I need a restroom.
There is one near the lake. Run, Daddy!
I am trying. Hurry! Hurry! There. No, it is closed.
Please open.
Another one. This way. Follow me.
This is bad. Where? Where is it?
Excuse me, sir. Is there a private toilet? Blue building. This way. Go, Daddy!
I am coming. Oh no! It is okay. We are here. It is locked.
I cannot wait.
The key! Look!
Quick, David.
Hurry. Please.
That was close.
He is safe now. It is okay, buddy.
What a day.
I feel better now.
You did it, Dad! Daddy is okay.
You were right.
I know. It is okay.
No more street food.
Good lesson. Daddy is funny.
Let's go help, buddy.
The clinic is there.
Okay.
Okay. Hello.
Hello. Put the cat here.
Be careful.
Will he be okay?
He is okay.
Buddy is strong.
Thank you.
You are welcome. What food can he eat?
Clean food and water. He needs rest. Like me now. I feel good now.
That is good. They are tired.
I love this day.
We are home. Sleep here, buddy.
Drink this.
So good.
Buddy is home.
Today was long.
Yes. I learned something.
What?
Listen to your wife.
And?
No park sausage.
I love you, Daddy.
I love you too. We are a happy family. Do you like this story?
Please like and share.
Subscribe for more stories. See you next time.